हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we discuss about most important concept of money banking and public finance. Today topic is effect of taxation. If the most important objective of taxation is to raise required revenue to meet the expenditures. Apart from raising the revenue, taxes are considered as instrument of control and regulation with the aim of influence the pattern of consumptions, productions, and distributions. Taxes thus affect an economy in various ways. Although the effect of taxes may not be necessarily be good, there are some bad effects of taxes too. The following economic effect of taxation given heading the firstly, the effect of taxation of production. Taxation can be influence of productions and growth. Such effect of productions are analyzed under this the head head effect on the ability to work, save, and invest. Effect of on the will to work and save and invest. Effect on allocation of resources. Next, effect on the ability to save. Imposition of imposition of taxes result in the reduction of disposable income of taxpayer. This will uh, reduce their expenditure on necessities with the which are required to be consumed to, for the sake of imposing efficiency, and efficiency suffer ability to work decline. This ultimately adversely affect the saving and investment. However, this happen in case of poor persons. Taxation of rich person has the least effect to the uh, least effect on the efficiency and ability to work. Not all taxes, however, have the adverse effect on the ability to work. There are some harmful goods such as cigarettes, whose consumption has to be reduced to increase ability to work. This is why high rate of taxes are often imposed on such harmful goods. Effect on the will to work and save and invest. The effect of taxation on willing to work and save and invest are partly the result of monetary burden of tax and partly the result of psychological burden of tax. Taxes which are temporarily imposed to meet any emergency do not produce adverse effect on the desire to work, save, and invest. But if taxes are expected to continue in failure, in will reduce the willing to work and save the taxpayer. Taxpayer have feeling to every tax is burden. This is psychological state of mind of taxpayer has just this incentive effect of the willing to work. They feel that it is not worth taking extra responsibility and putting in more hour because so much of their extra income would be taken away by the government in form of taxes. However, if taxpayers are uh, desire maintain their existing standard of living in mindset of payment of large taxes, they they might put extra effort to make up for the income lost in tax. Effect of taxation on income distribution. Taxation has both favorable and unfavorable effect on distribution of income and wealth. Whether taxes reduce or increase income inequality, depend upon nature of taxes. A strictly progress taxation system tends to reduce income inequality since the burden of such taxes fall heavily on the richer persons. But a regressive tax system increases the inequality of income. Further, the taxes imposed heavily on luxurious on non-essential goods tends to have favorable impact of income distribution, but taxes imposed unnecessarily articles may have regressive effect on income distribution. However, we often find some conflict role of taxes on output and distribution. A progressive systems taxation has favorable effect in income distribution, but it is distinctive effect of output. Other effect of taxation. If the taxes produce favorable effect on ability and desire to work and save and invest, there will be favorable effect on the employment situation of a country. Further, if resources collected via taxes are utilized for development projects, it will increase the employment in the economy. If the taxes affect the volume of saving and investment badly, then recession and unemployment problem will be aggravated. Again, affect the taxes on the price level may be favorable and unfavorable. Sometimes taxes are imposed to curb the inflation, again as imposition of commodity taxes lead to rising cost of productions. Taxes aggregate the problem of inflation. Thus, taxes are create both favorable and unfavorable effect on various parameters. Unfavorable effect of taxes can be wiped out by the judicious use of progressive taxation. Thank you. In next chapter, we will discuss about the taxable capacity. Thank you.